Hello. Today, let's talk about a comparison video. And there is a decade between these two phones. Of the one side, we have the brand new Apple iPhone 17 Pro. And, whoa, a decade, baby. Yeah. Take a look at this. That's really legend that defined an era. We have the iPhone 6s. That comes 2015 on the market. What has truly changed over this decade? Is the 6S even unusable today? And how absolutely futuristic is the 17 Pro compared to this old friend? Let's dive into it. Of course, first let's start with design and display and feel. Exterior. The 6S felt like a Pablo. 4.7 inches rounded aluminum body. It featured the below home button with Touch ID and, yes, a famous 3.5mm headphone jack. And it launched on iOS 9. The weight is 143 grams, incredible light in today's standards. And on the other side, a masterpiece of modern design. 6.3 inches, angular frame, IP68 waterproof, protected the ultra-durable ceramic shield too, and it runs with iOS 26. No home button. It features a customizable action button and a new dedicated capture button for the camera system. The port is USB, fast data transfer, and fast recharging. Okay, let's go to the screen. iPhone 6s Retina HD LCD display against iPhone 17 Pro Super Retina XDR OLED. Size 4.7 inches against 6.3 inches. Resolution, baby, 1334 to 750 with 326 ppi against 2622 to 1206 for 60 ppi. Wow. Refresh rate 60 Hz against 120 Hz. Poor promotion, baby. The peak brightness 500 nits against 3000 nits in outdoor area. The biggest widget change is, of course, the screen. The 6S is a good but standard 60 Hz LCD. The 70 Pro features a Pro Motion OLED display. And with a peak brightness of 3000 nits outdoor, the 6S is literally looks dim next to it. Let's go to power memory and AI. Oh, this where the 6S truly becomes a relic. The A9 chip paired with 2 GB RAM. It was the fastest phone chip in the world in 2015. 17 Pro comes the cutting-edge A19 Pro chip with a massive 12 GB of RAM. High performance isn't just double, it's dozens of times faster. While the A9 struggled with the simple web pages, the A19 Pro is running complex local Apple intelligence models. The 6S computer is in the gigaflops range. The 70 Pro is in the teraflops range. That's different between a calculator and a supercomputer. Okay, iPhone 6s A9 chip, A19 Pro 3nm ejector in the iPhone 17 Pro. RAM 2 GB against 12 GB. LPDDR5X. Base storage 16 GB against 256. Storage in the base. You can go further. New tech is 3D touch in the iPhone 6s against Apple Intelligence and vapor chamber of cooling. That means there's a liquid in the backside of your iPhone. So, camera. Ooh. Yeah, the camera. Yeah. 12 megapixel camera on the backside. It was groundbreaking at that time. A decade, okay? Offering 4K videos at 30 frames, 5 megapixel front camera. But it lacks everything. No ultra-wide, no optical zoom, and very poor low light performance. iPhone 17 Pro comes with triple 48 megapixel Pro Fusion camera system. Wide, ultra-wide, periscope telephoto. The front camera is now 80 megapixel with center stage and 4K video capabilities. The 17 Pro offers 4 times optical zoom and up to 40 digital zoom. The same is a longer just opticals. It is a computer that there calculates and enhances the image of using AI. And the A6S produces noise and blur. The 17 Pro utilizes deep fusion and a LiDAR-Scanner to produce a bright, detailed, professional-grade images. That is 10 years of progress in a single photo or video shot. Connectivity, baby, and battery runtime. Yeah, of course. The 6S supported LTE Advanced. 4G is that. Wireless charging, impossible. Battery capacity, 1,715 mAh. iPhone 17 Pro, blazing fast 5G standard and Wi-Fi 7. Battery capacity, 4,000 mAh. With a massive efficiency against using the A19 Pro chip, it charged via USB-C with 40 watt. The 6S is 5 watt charging. Yeah? Takes a long time more. The 17 Pro also features second generation ultra-wideband UWB chip for the spatial awareness of life-saving satellite emergency SOS system. So the iPhone 6S is a classicer now. It opened the door to the modern smartphone world and back in 2015, but today it's the technical obsolete, a charming piece of history. The iPhone 17 Pro is an AI-powered device with a camera that replaced the small photo studio and the performance that averted most desktop computers from a decade ago. The composition reveals that 10 years is an eternity in technology. It's not just a faster chip. It's an entirely new foundation upon which the Apple has built future smart computing. What leap did you find the most impressive? The jump from the home button to Face ID or the jump from a single 12 megapixel sensor to a 48 megapixel triple zoom system? Let me know that, please, in the comments. Yeah, but it was really nice. And I'm going to use the 6S continuously, really. Yeah, I like it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me, give me positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.